bird. Ready? Okay, go. You guys are good boys. Yep, good boys. Twinkles is over there just lining up in what? Oh, the two boys are walking together. Give them their space. They're so happy to be home after going to the vet. Oh, Twinkles is going after them. Hi, BJ.
Sorry.
You okay?
For your own good health. Okay?
Yep. Good boy, BJ.
Yeah. Only once a year.
Yep.
Only once a year.
Yep. You gonna eat? Oh, good boy, BJ. Under the house, probably.
Okay, is that you?
Come, BJ. You wanna come eat? Sun is coming up later now, so they're eating at about 7:30 now. Where else is bamboo? She's walking away. Pebbles, where are you going? Paul? Twinkle, Smokey, Tumbles, BJ. Your dad is not here, Oriole's not here. Pebbles. It's been rainy, so the tarp's down. Hi, Pebbles. Hi, Pebbles. Pebbles. Hi. Squirrels. Pebbles. Okay, Pebbles doesn't want pets. Squirrels. Hi. Hi, squirrels. Rose is the oldest sister. Yeah. From the first litter. She takes care of all the babies still. But she also keeps them in their place. Hi, BJ. 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 Hey, Pebbles. Pebbles. Twinkles. Hi. Twinkles. Hi, baby. Roswells. PJ. Right? Hi, BG. Tell everybody to like and subscribe. Oh, yeah. So, yeah. Hey, Tumbles. Don't touch me when I'm eating. Sorry. Tumbles doesn't like pets after he eats in the morning. Right, Tumbles? No pets? He just wants to be left alone. No pets? Good boy. Smokey. Smokey. Smokey only likes pets from Cheryl. Smokey. Smokey boy. Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay, I got one pet. Okay, I'll see you guys a little later. I gotta go check on videos. We got about Boo Boo. Hi, Boo Boo. Hi. Hi. Boo Boo. Hi. She says, "Not that you touch me, I have to fix my hair all over again." Hi, S'mores. S'mores. Sorry, we have to put the big cone on you again because you were getting at your bandage. Sailor Moon.
Oh, collar came off.
Huh?
Collar came off.
No, she's okay. Hi, Swirls. You getting ready to take a nap? Hi, Swirls. Hey. BJ, what you doing? You see something? You not gonna take a nap yet? No? Oh, wait. Thanks, BJ. You know we can't have water like this running around because you know why? Mosquitoes. Good job, BJ, for finding this. We'll just turn it over. There's another one. Pretty haven for mosquitoes. Hi, Dumbles. Dumbles. Hi. Oh, there's Oreo. Hi, Oreo. Did you eat, Oreo? You must have ate. Yeah? Where's Pebbles go? I saw Pebbles up there. Oh. Pebbles. Pebbles. Hi. Pebbles. 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 Yeah, that tarp is too big with his frame. I'm supposed to buy a tarp that's a little smaller than the frame so it doesn't puddle. So I put boxes in there on the top there to try to help it from puddling. And boards. Swirls. Hi, Swirls. Hey. Huh? Okay. No hi. Hi. Okay, I gotta finish washing clothes. Bye. Bye, Swirls. Look. Dad is hanging out with Tumbles. Hi, Oreo. Oreo was kind of sickly maybe 6 months ago to a year, and he's improved a lot since he got flea meds from us, and he eats when the other cats eat. His fur was kind of yucky for a while, and now it's looking healthy again, and he even grooms himself, so it's supposed to be good signs. Yeah, Oreo, are you okay? And there's Twinkles. Twinkles. You making trouble with the fish? careful, this mango tree is falling apart. How's the fish water, Twinkles? Pretty good? No? Hi, BJ. You okay? Hi. Hi. BJ boy. I'm rinsing off Sailor Moon's towels and stuff. Hi. My hands are wet. Yeah. Oh look, Twinkles is cleaning her toes. Twinkle toes. I keep getting distracted. I gotta go back to the laundry.